Okay, welcome back with Daytocode. Step 6 of the assembly of the smart robot car kit from Elegoo. Here in this step, we are going to need 3 M3 times 14 hexagon socket screws. Let's actually find those. Okay, we'll find where is it? Let's see. We want 3. I think, yeah. So we'll need from the bag that says for UNO and L298N. We already mounted the L298N onto the bottom chassis. We are going to mount the Arduino UNO on the top chassis. And here we need 3 of those hexagon screws, the M3 times 14 hexagon screws, as you can see here on the manual. Then we'll need 3 of the nuts, so there's 3. Then we'll need the separation shim, 3 of those. Okay, we'll need the chassis, the top chassis. We'll need the Arduino UNO revision 3 board. We'll need 1 expansion board and the Bluetooth module. They all come in the box that you get. Okay, so let's lay out our stuff. I think we need everything in here. So if we just group them, it looks like we have more than one. So we may need to put 1 here. So we need 3 of the hexagon screws. We need 3 of the separation shims. So we keep this again away. And now I'm going to hide the manual. And here I already went ahead and peeled off the protection film. We need to peel this other side so you can see how I did it. So it's very easy. So I just take a cutting knife and try to peel this off gently. Okay, so once I do, I start to peel it off like so. So I'll lower it now so you can see. Yeah, just do that. Just do that and keep going. Now when I come here, it becomes a little funky, but I'll see how best to do it. Yes, okay, so I was able to actually peel it off like so. And I think if I was able to also do that. And here, just go first one side and the other side. Okay, we have to be careful there. Okay. So we got that. Discard that. So now, when we have the chassis like this, this would be the back of it, right? The front will be like so, where you have these 3 holes facing you. You have also those 2 holes facing you, and the 1 hole is just facing that side, right? So, and also the back of the car will be this, where you have these holes, these 4 holes, 2 extremes, 1 in the middle, and here we have only 2. So this is how you know this is the front and this is the top part of the board. Okay, so now we have this. Next thing we need to do is to mount the Arduino revision 3 board. So let's pull up. So here we have it like so. So I'm going to move to the next page of the manual. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see here in step 7, we have to mount the board. Okay, let's take the board. This is the Arduino revision 3 board. That's the main board of the robot. So I'll just peel this open and get it out of the box, the bag. So here, as we can see, we have to place it the front of the cards here. The USB connector, this one has to be facing that way, as we can see in this picture. Okay, so we have to we'll only be using one of the holes, 3 of the holes here, just like so. Okay, now the best way to do this would be, we have to okay, let's take a keener look at what we have here. So at the back side of the chassis goes the head of the screws. Okay, so I'll turn it around and just put here 1, oops, 2 and 3, and try to lay the plate down like so. So hopefully ooh, that's what I didn't want, but looked like we didn't succeed there. So let's just do like that, not too far from the surface. And that's 1, that is 1, and this is the third one. It's a little bit of a struggle here. Oh man, that's crazy now. Okay, so let's see, maybe we can get this to go. And let's see the best way. Oh yeah, so we can hold it like so, hold the 2 and try to do the other one here. Oh man, then I tried to block those using my finger, and let's see. Okay, I think we got it this time. Okay, just place like that, and I'm going to hide the application, the manual. Okay, so just go here. We have to put the separation seam, 1 there, 1 here, so the board doesn't touch the actual surface of the chassis, because it has all those things that were soldered. Okay, so once we do that, we try to put the screws, the nuts on the screws. This one looks a little easy. When I was doing the L298 board, that was a little tougher because it has a lot of component. Okay, so just do this, then do the other one. This one can be a little difficult because of the power connector, but in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to present it like, just stick it there and try to use my hand, right? It looks like I got it. So after this, we use the Allen key to screw this. Just do that while holding with your hand. Okay, tighten, then go here, hold with your hand. Do the same for this one, hold with your hand. Okay, so with this, we got the chassis mounted, the Arduino UNO mounted onto the top chassis. Let's bring back the manual. So we just finished this part. As you can see, the front is here. We have these 3 holes facing us. The USB connector is opposite where these 3 holes are. So that's how you know that you put it correctly. Okay, next, let's see the next page. What is on the next page? So go next. Next, we want to put the expansion board on top of this. Okay, on top of the Arduino revision board. So the expansion board is right here. Oh, let's go back to, so, and turn off this for a moment. So we have to put this expansion board on top. So let's see, we'll remove it from the bag. Let's see, okay, remove it from the bag. And so we cannot go wrong because one side of the pin is shorter than the other, so the longer part, this part, goes there. So we just have to align it like this, right? We align it like so. So right here, just do, let's see, is that the way? So okay, just align those pins. Okay, so then okay, let's see one thing. So I have it aligned, as you can see, but I want to check one more thing. Then bring up the manual. So the side, yeah, I think that's how we should do it. We have A5 through A0, then we have 0 through 7, then 8 through 13. We have the ground. Yeah, there is additional. So we just fit this. We'll try to kind of add it firmly. Okay, so we just did that. Now, we have those pins there. We didn't use them, so not so convinced about. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's fitting. That's fitting. I thought it was going to kind of hit this, but it looks like we are okay. So yeah, one more thing. Let's see. Definitely, yeah, this part stays where we have the USB connector, so I think we are safe. Yeah, we can see the different connectors. Okay, so that part is done. Now we need to connect the Bluetooth module. I'm going to the Bluetooth modules. Yeah, it's actually easy. We don't need to worry about this. Bluetooth module connection point is, where is the Bluetooth? Okay, Bluetooth is right here. You can see it. Yeah, you can see the writing, Bluetooth. Okay, so I just take out the Bluetooth module. Oh, that's not the Bluetooth, that's the sensor. Bluetooth is right here. This is the Bluetooth. So just discard this and bring the Bluetooth module. And so, yeah, we should just connect it like so. So we fit it like that, and after fitting, that's how it looks. Okay, so we have this. I think this would be for step 7. So we did the Arduino UNO board, we put the expansion board on top of it, then we put the Bluetooth, right? So Arduino UNO board, expansion board, Bluetooth module. So we got this step 7 completed. Let's go to step, oh, that was step 8, my bad. Step 9. Step 9, let's go to step 9. Step 9 is where we mount the battery on the chassis, on the bottom, top chassis. And the battery normally will be sitting up, right? So if we go to the next page of the manual, let's see that in step 10, this is how the battery will be there and everything will be here. Bluetooth connector is there and front of the chassis is here. Okay, this is easy. So let's go back. Okay, So in this step, we will need 2M3 times 12 hexagon socket and 2 nuts. Okay, so let's see, those were 14. We want 12. Let's find the bag that has this. Okay, so we need 2 of these. So we need this M3 times 12, 2 of them, 2 nuts, and they have M2 times 25, 2 pieces. Okay, I mean, yeah, 4 pieces, sorry. But in this case, we'll only need the battery and this and the nuts. Okay, let's get going. Our video is getting a little too long, but we'll try to do it a little fast right here. So here we need 2 hexagon screws, 2 nuts. I think that's all we need for this one. And the M225, the 4 one, will keep them. This will be for the tires. So this box is the one that is marked for cell box and tires. So we are going to keep this later to use for the tires. Okay, so let's find the battery. Battery is right here. So we're going to, let's see, we have to place it like so. It's very easy. Okay, this would be an easy one. Let's just go to the next level and check again how we position. So the battery, yeah, that's how it should be. So yeah, definitely, that's definitely the way we should go about it. Okay, hide this and pick the hexagon screws. Just drive them through here. Okay, so hopefully you can see it. Okay, right there. Just use this, use our finger on that. Okay, so we did this one. Then do the next one. Yeah, just try to align it. Okay, just hold the back with your finger and try this. Oops. Oh, it's a little slippery. So let's see. Yeah, kind of not quite aligned. So I'll use the screw, the Allen key, and see. Okay, so just using my hand to hold this in place. So just go here. It's a little small in my finger there. So hold here again with my finger. Okay, that one's good. And we are done with step 10. Okay, so now we do like this. This is the back where the battery is, and here's where we connect the battery. We just have to align like so. Hopefully you can see it, right? Like so. So just go here, and that's how we're going to connect it, right? So we got this. So if we go here, that is how, let's see in step 11. Okay, step 10 is completed. Step 10 is completed. We're going to stop this video right here and we'll move to the next step.